right, hopefully it don't act up the way it want to. And if it do, I'm gonna show y'all how I normally fix it. Okay, so you see that and you hold it. Now sometimes it'll turn over, right? So what I do is turn the key to the on position. I let it sit, right? So this is what I experience just about every day, okay? So the engine light is on because, you know, it's on the on position, of course. This is the tire, that tire monitor sensor or whatever. Of course, I need to change my oil soon, and I need to add oil, but that just now popped up. All right, so I'm gonna let it sit. I mean, you can let it sit for, you know, whatever time length you need it, but this is what it does. Let me see if it'll crank up. Okay, so it's not cranking up still. All right, let's take it out. Hold it to the on position. Let's see. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it doesn't. No lights on, no wheel lights. I don't have nothing on. Radio is on. That's just about it though. Let me close these doors. Close these doors. As long as you ain't got no lights on, battery should not drain that much. So let's see. All right, let's see if it works. No, still ain't working. Okay. Let's see. Let it sit. Could be the body control module or something. See, it don't do that all the time, but it seems like it's getting worse and worse every time. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I'm about to change out today to make sure. It's hot right now because I'm not running the AC like I should, but I got some ice cold water, but it's real hot, man. But that's normally what it does, and I can never figure out what the issue is. Do I want to take it to a mechanic and get it diagnosed? Not really. I don't really trust some of these guys, man, truthfully. I can't really trust nobody like that, man. I can't really go to nobody at Advance Auto on things like that, because they'll give you some